Okay, so on this example, we're going to go ahead and divide it using synthetic division. So they basically already give us one of our answers right here because this is going to divide into it evenly. And so that's where the -5 comes from. But let's go ahead and do the synthetic division real quick, and then we can talk about this a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put the coefficients 1, 8, -3, and then -90. So I grab those all from right here. And so we drop the first number, multiply, and then we add the column, which is 3, multiply, which is -15, add the column, which is -18, and then -18 times -5 is +90. So that's going to give us a remainder of 0. So that's the resulting polynomial right here is going to be x squared plus 3x minus 18. So I want to make a little point here. This is the result. We divided it by x plus 5. So if I were to multiply it by x plus 5 like this, if you multiply that together, that's equivalent to the original polynomial that was being divided. So I just want to, that's an important connection that we want to make that will make it a little bit easier as we move forward. This is equivalent to this. Now, what we're trying to do, though, is they're asking us to find the zeros, which basically means what makes that equation equal 0. And so the idea here is it's not factorable. And so that's why we're doing this, is because it's not factorable. And so, at least in its original form, it wasn't. Okay, so we divided it by x plus 5. And so I just kind of wanted to make that point that this is the result. Now, this is factorable right here, so we will go ahead and factor that. That should factor into x. What is that going to be? +6 and x minus 3, and then we still have the x plus 5. That was basically the given one. They gave it to us at the very beginning. So then from here, that's how you figure out all your solutions. So set each one of these equal to 0 and solve, and so that's where you get the -6. This is where we get the -5, and then this is where you get the +3. So hopefully that helps you out there.